Hi everyone, welcome back to another phonics lesson. We're going to continue looking at the long O spelled O-A. Every single time you see the O-A together, it's going to make the O sound. What's it going to say? O. What's it going to say? O. So let's go ahead and start already. Look at that first line. Look at those 4 words on the first line. Think to yourself. Remember, we did yesterday sound by sound blending, so this should pick up a little bit faster. I'm just going to go ahead and have you read it back to me, if that's okay. Do you feel comfortable with that?
Yes.
Ready? So thinking about it, doing those blending skills, and here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Coast.
Coast.
Boast.
Roast. And
Toast.
toast. Okay, for fluidity's sake, let's go ahead and reread that. 3, 2, 1. Coast, boast, roast, and toast. So some think time to yourself. Remember, thumb to your chest as soon as you can figure out the family or the pattern that we're working with here. And I'm giving you a heads up, Miss T. I'm going to call you first, and then I'm going to call you second, Miss Yakimowicz, on the next line, and so on. All right, Miss T, what pattern or family are we working with here?
O-A-S-T, oast.
Oast is correct. Oast here, oast, and oast. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so I want us now to take a look at this second line. Be mindful, Miss Yakimowicz, you have heads up that you're going to look for that pattern. And all of the rest of us, here we go. We're going to try our best to use those blending skills and say the word aloud. 3, 2, 1.
Soar.
Soar.
Roar.
Or. And bore. Very nice. We read it for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Soar, roar, or, and bore. All right. So, Ms. Yakimowicz, you had plenty of think time. I'm not going to ask you to do thumb to your chest. Remember, kids, if you need more think time, pause and then come back to us. Miss?
O-A-R, which makes the or sound.
Yes, very nicely done. O-A-R, 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 O-A-R. All right, jump down to line 3. Miss T, heads up. I'm going to ask you for that pattern. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Toad. Toad. Load. Goad. Road. Very nice. We read it for fluidity's sake. 3, 2, 1. Toad. Load, goad, and road. Miss T, what are you thinking? Is the pattern or the family we're working with?
O-A-D, ode.
Ode is correct. And we're now on our sentence. Wow, we're moving pretty quick here. And remember with the sentence, we're not doing thumb to our chest. What we're doing is fingers, using the amount of fingers of the words that have the long O spelled O-A. So when you're ready, start showing me how many words, using your fingers, how many words have the long O spelled O-A? Good, I see a final number there. Very nicely done. I'm going to start with you, Miss Yakimowicz, and then bounce back to Miss T and back to you. Here we go. Miss Yakimowicz, what is the first long O word that you noticed?
Toad.
Toad has O-A. Miss T.
Boasts.
Boasts. One more. Miss Yakimowicz? Toast. Very nice. So what was this again?
Toad.
Toad. And what was this? Boasts. And this?
Toast.
So we already read these words. We're familiar with them. So when we're rereading this sentence, notice that we have high frequency words. You should not be struggling. Okay, be careful. That one does have a schwa, and the word is what? About. So we're not falling into a trap there. We know how to read that. 3. Read it back to me. 2, 1. The toad boasts about his toast. And Ms. Yakimowicz, I always ask this of you. Can you please reread that for fluidity's sake?
The toad boasts about his toast.
Very nice. And Ms. Yakimowicz, sorry, Ms. T, wrong teacher. Scooping, please.
The toad boasts about his toast.
Very nice. And it's not decoding anymore. What time is it? Encoding time. So boys and girls, if you have a whiteboard, go ahead and take out your whiteboard board right now with the marker. If you prefer to work on a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, do so right now. Take that notebook out. For those of you who are now working with your Seesaw application, remember to hit add, hit drawing, hit record all of the word, then hit the left undo button and start your new word, undo, new word, undo, and finally submit your work at the very end. All right, here we go. Thumb to your chest, teachers, when you're ready. Excellent. Here we go. The first word is or. Ready? O, or. O, or. What's the word? Or. Show me your work. Great job. Next word. The word is road. What's the word? Road. 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 Show me your work. Very nice. You got that right. Remember, boys and girls, if it's too fast, hit that pause button. Come back to us when you're ready. Next word. The word is load. What's the word? Load. Load. Ode. I'm sorry I said la. It shouldn't be la. It's ode. Load. Show me your work. Excellent. Excellent. 3 out of 3 so far. Next word. The word is bore. What's the word? Bore. Bore. Show me your work. Yes, yes, 4 out of 4 so far. Keep going. And remember, boys and girls, if you're getting them wrong, that's okay. This is a learning process. Okay, it's okay to make mistakes so long as you learn from them. All right, here we go. Back to the top right here. Ready? Watch it. 2 consonants up here. Float. The word is float. And I'm sorry I gave you that T. It's okay, a freebie. Oat. 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 Float. Show me.
Oopsie. I did bloat.
Oh, I'm so sorry. And it's okay to make mistakes so long as you learn from them. So I did go a little fast on that, and the sound was. Can you make that sound for me, Miss Yakimowicz? Yes, and you notice Miss Yakimowicz's mouth. The difference between a f and a b sound. Thank you. Got it right? All right. Next word. The word is gloat. What's the word? Gloat. Oat. Oat. Gloat. Show me. And again, boys and girls, you can hit that pause button before we check it. Yes. You got it right?
Yay.
All right. Challenge. We have 2 multisyllabic words for you. Please do not be intimidated. I think you can do it. The first word is coastline. What's the word? Coastline. Coast. Line. And notice that the I here, the long I is spelled I blanky. Here we go. Coast. Line. Coastline. Show me your work. Great job. Great job. Excellent. And watch this other one. Again, don't get intimidated. Use your clues that you have there. The word is roadside. What's the word?
Roadside.
Road. Side. Side. Roadside. Show me your work. Yay! Okay, now it's the challenge of that sentence. Remember, boys and girls, if this is too fast and you need that scaffold, go ahead and hit that pause button and write this down for yourself either on the whiteboard, your paper, or if you're using the Seesaw account, write it onto that drawing page and just hit the pause button until you're ready and then hit unpause again. Teachers, whenever you're ready, remember you don't have to do the challenge. You don't have to do the scaffold if you don't feel like you need it. You can just write it as you hear it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The toad did not croak, oak, croak. On, on the boat, boat, boat. The toad did not croak on the boat. I know that was a lot for you to do, but I also know that these words were fairly easy because they were CVC words that you're used to doing. All right, show me your work. The toad did not croak on the boat. Nice. Pat yourself on the back. And ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done, even if you make mistakes. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for joining us today. Yay! Join us next time. Bye.
Bye.